Hi, this is Professor Bob Myhall inviting you to join me at NADA 2026. But first, let me ask you something. Do you think your ads are really engaging and effective? Let's get real. Most dealership ads are usually boring, they're bland. They're built from this Frankenstein patchwork of stock phrases, legal jargon, and they have zero brand personality. Join me at NADA 2026 for a fast paced, brutally honest, and wildly useful workshop called Why Your Ads Suck and How to Fix Them. In this rapid fire session, I'm going to break down the three most common mistakes that are killing your ad performance. I'll give you a four-part framework to sharpen your messaging right away. And we'll look at real examples of ad copy that's been transformed from yuck and blah to wow and bam. It's fast, it's fun, and it's packed with takeaways you can use as soon as you get back to the store. So if your ads look like some disjointed creature that just crawled out of Chernobyl, get ready to stop blending in with the other noise and to start standing out. Come join me at Digital Dealer 2026 in Las Vegas. I'll see you there.